Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Wix SEO settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Wix SEO settings, begin by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on the Marketing and SEO option. Select SEO tools from the drop-down menu. You will see various SEO settings and tools available for your site. Click on SEO settings to access your current configurations. Take note of your existing settings for reference before making any changes. Scroll down to find the option to reset your SEO settings. Click the Reset button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about resetting. Confirm the action to proceed with resetting your settings. After the reset, you will see the default SEO settings apply to your site. Now, revisit the SEO settings section to begin configuring your SEO again. Start with the key elements such as your site title and meta description. Make sure to include relevant keywords for your audience. Update your URL structure to be more SEO friendly if necessary. Check the alt text for your images and ensure they're descriptive. Consider revisiting your site's headings to improve content hierarchy. Keep monitoring your site's SEO performance regularly. Make adjustments based on analytics and search engine feedback. Once you've completed these steps, your Wix SEO settings will be reset and optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.